Yes, friends, good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody. So, we are preparing, we are doing the problems on trial balance chapter, friends. This trial balance chapter is, very important. It is based on the final accounts, friends. It is very important based on the final accounts. That's why this trial balance have doing the each and every transaction. What is what we know that. For example, it is a cash transaction, it is an asset or it is a liability transaction, it is expenses transaction, it is an income transaction, it is profit transaction, it is loss transaction. Each and every one we know that in a trial balance have. Okay, now friend, that's why we are doing the trial balance of the before final accounts. Okay, now what is what we know that you are doing the easy to final accounts now. That's why we are preparing trial balances here. Now we are giving the problem number 10. What is that? Let's see. Prepare trial balance of Radha from the following: opening stock 10,000 rupees, purchases 27,000, carriages 25,000, creditors 10,000 rupees, capital 15,000, sales 32,000, salaries 4,000, debitors 8,000, cash at bank 5,500. This is our giving problem. This have assets is there, expenses is there, liabilities is there, and incomes is there. So all our transactions, so we can record in where friends trial account having. For example, let us say ledger account have what we can record only personal accounts we can record. Okay now subsidiary books have what we can record current transactions only we can record. Okay three column cash book have what we can record expenses, cash we can receive, cash credits and cash receipts only record now here one side the opening entry have what we can record only assets and liabilities declared now. Okay now we can all record the trial balance, isn't it? We can all transactions in we can record in a trial balance, friends. Here that is very important. Now we can take first of all trial balance format. Now first one is serial number, second one particulars, and third one LF, fourth one debit rupees, fourth one is debit rupees. Okay, now next one is credit rupees. Okay, now we can record here serial number, particulars, LF number, debit rupees, credit rupees. This is a trial balance format. You can write here trial balance. Okay, so this is a trial balance format. What we can record here? We can record the here giving transactions one by one. We can record here. So what is giving first one? Opening stock. Opening stock is what friend? Stock is in two types. There is an opening stock and closing stock. Isn't it? Opening stock is one of the asset. So So then we can record into which side it is in a debit column having a we can record in a trial balance. Write down first one. Opening stock. What is the value of opening stock? 10,000. That amount we can record in a debit column. 10,000 rupees trades here. Okay now. Now next one is what purchases. Second one is purchases. So what is purchases trades here? Purchases is one of the expenses. So why? Because we can pay the cash and receive the goods here. That's why purchases is an expenses. Now all expenses we can record into which side? It is we can record in debit side. Okay now we have a normal record called explain that all expenses and losses is debit, all incomes and gains is credit. Now that's why expenses we can record in debit column. What is the amount of purchases? 27,000. Write down here 27,000. Now next one is carriage. Carriage is what? It is in one of the traveling expense. Okay now, it is in what? One of the traveling expense. All expenses we can record into which side? Debit side we can record in a trial balance. That's why carriage is also we can record into trial balance having a debit column. So write down third one. Carriages. That amount is 2,500 rupees. We can record in a debit column. Now next one is what? Creditors. Creditors means what? Person giving persons. Okay now, business giving persons is creditors. Business receiving persons is what? Debitors. So here is business giving persons is creditors. These creditors is one of the liability. Okay now students, all liabilities we can record into which side? Credit side. That's why write down here fourth one, creditors. So these creditors also we can record credit side from credit column 10,000 rupees. What is that? Credit column we can record 10,000. Now next one is what students here? Capital. Capital is what? Capital is it is one of the proprietor bring the amount of capital. Okay now, so proprietor can establish the new business. The business must have you can bring the capital amount. This capital business can create liability. Okay now students, this is who is bring the investment here? Proprietor can bring the investment. This investment business can create liability. Okay now, that's why you can record into capital is which side? Credit side. Why? Because capital is one of the liability. Capital is a what? Liability. That's why we can write fifth one, capital. What is the amount of capital? 15,000. We can record in the credit side. Now next one is what? Sales. Sales is what? Incomes. Why? Because we can sold the goods. This time cash is comes in the business. Okay now, we can receive the cash here. We cannot pay. We can receive the cash here. That's why sales is an incomes. Okay. Now all incomes we can record into which side? It is a credit side. All incomes we can record into credit side. That's why we can record in trial balance and also credit column having we can record now. Write down sixth one, sales. So it is income. You can record it to credit side 32,000 rupees. Now next one is what friends here? Salaries. Salaries is what friends? Expenses. So business can recruit the persons. Why? Because work purpose recruit the persons. These persons have been given the salaries. Why? Because we business. That's why we can pay the salary. Okay na? The salary is business have an expense. Received person have an income. Okay na? So overall salaries is a business have what expenses. All expenses we can record it to which side when it is debit side we can record the expenses. That's why trial balance have also we can record salaries debit column. Okay, write down seventh one salaries. The amount is 4,000 rupees. The amount is what signs here? 4,000. Okay. Now next one is what debitors. Debitors means what? Business receiving persons. Debitors who is business receiving persons is debitors. This time what is comes in? Cash is comes in. So that's why debitors is one of the asset. Debitors is what? Asset. All assets you can record it to which side? Debit column we can record that. Okay now. Now write down here 8th one debitors. So the amount is what? 8,000 rupees. We can record into debit column. Why? Because it is an assets. And finally cash at bank. Cash at bank means what? We can deposit the cash amount from the bank. So the bank can receive the cash amount. So cash amount having bank having how much here? 5,500. So bank is a which person? Artificial person. Bank having 5,500 rupees now. The bank amount is what? The business having a asset. Okay, friends. Now all assets is we can record into which side? Debit side. Okay now. Write down 9th one. Cash at bank. What is the value of cash at bank? 5,500. It is an asset. Cash at bank is a what specs here? Asset. That's why. So all transactions we can record in trial balance having a debit column somebody and some we can record a credit column sides. Now what we can do now? We are doing the total of debit and credit column sides. Let us see. First of all we are going to do total debit side. Then after we will do the total is credit side. So let us see first of all. First column is at 0. Second column is also 0. Third column 5 plus 5 10. Fourth column 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 8 21 plus 5 26 plus 1 27. Okay, 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. 57,000 rupees of debit amount. Or let us say credit amounts. First column is at 0. Second column 0. Third column also 0. Fourth column 5 plus 2 7. 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5. 57,000 rupees is a debit total. 57,000 rupees is a credit total. This is the problem number 10 trial balance trends. Okay na? So this is a both debit and credit comes here equal. So there is a problem is that sometimes not comes equal. You can show you immediately it is a problem is wrong. We are not telling debit and credit. Our problem is not is wrong. Okay now friend. That's why we need to carefully this trial balance problems. Okay. Now we are going to bring the next problem. 11. Prepare trial balance. Prepare. Wait for a moment. We are not Problem number 11. So the following are the balances. Following are the balances extracted from the books of Pullana NNA Pullana on 31st December 2017. Prepare the trial balance. Prepare the trial balance. Okay, friend, this is the question given. So what given here? Let us see. Capital 1,30,000. Capital 1,30,000. Next one, drawings 12,000. Drawings 12,000. Next, furniture 42,600. Furniture 42,600. Next one is bank overdraft 14,200. Bank overdraft 14,200. Next one, creditors 11,000. Creditors 11,000. And princess 20,000. Princess 20,000. Now next one is opening stock 22,000. 22,000 and wages 2,000. Next one is salaries 9,000 and commission paid 2,200. Debitors 18,000 and rent received 8,000. Rent received 8,000. Purchases 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs and sales 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Next, return invoice. Return invoice amount is 2,000. Next, discount debit. Debit 1,600. Discount credit 2,000 and general expenses. General expenses 4,000. Next, carriage 1,800. Carriage 1,800. Next, reserve for bad habits. Reserve for bad habits 20,000. These are all business transactions given in the problem number 11 students. Now we are going to do trial balance. How we can recall that? Let us see one by one. Okay. Okay, friends, this is problem number 11. So this have what given? First one is capital. Capital is what, friends, here. So proprietor can invest the amount of capital. Okay, now business establishing time, a proprietor can invest the amount of capital. This amount is business can create capital. That is one of the liability. Okay, now these liabilities we can record in trial balance have credit side, students. Okay, now write down capital amount we can record in credit side 1,30,000. Now second one is what, friends, here? Drawings. Drawings is what? It is personal uses. Who can do the business having personal uses here? Proprietor can do doing the drawings. Okay, now proprietor can use the personal uses of it is in drawings. Drawings is in what, friends, here? Expense from the business. Drawings is in what? Expense from the business. Then we can record it is inside debit column. Okay, now second one, write down drawings. The amount is 12,000 debit side. Now next one is what, friends, here? Furniture. Furniture is what, friends? Assets, isn't it? Furniture is one of the asset. All furnitures, all assets we can record into which side, friends, here? Debit side. Okay, now all assets we can record into debit side. That's why furniture also we can record into debit side. Write down third one. Furniture. That amount is 42,600. Okay. Next one. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is what? Liability or loan. Okay, now friends. So this overdraft chance is having only between it is only for the bank holders, bank accounting holders. It is saving accounts. It is the person have not given business can given the that person having given the chance of bank overdraft. It is current account holders have given the chance of the bank overdraft. It is a what, friends? Liability. So this bank overdraft you can record it to which side? Credit side. Write down fourth one. Bank overdraft. That amount is what, friends? 14,200. We can record in the credit side 14,200 rupees. Now next one what given here? Creditors. Creditors means what? Business giving persons. Creditors is what, friends, here? Business giving persons. That's why we can record it to which side? It is creditors is completely liability. Creditors is not liability. All liabilities we can record it to which side? Credit side. Okay, write down creditors. Fifth one. Creditors. What is the amount of creditors? 11,000. We can record in the credit side. Now next one. Princess means what here? Assets, citizen. Princess means what here? Assets. All assets we can record into which side, friends? It is debit column. We can record that. Now Princess, it is an asset. The amount is 20,000. We can record in the debit column. Now next one is opening stock. Opening stock is one of the asset. Then we can record it which side? It is a debit side. Write down opening stock. What is the value of opening stock? 22,000. Now we can record into debit column having 22,000 rupees. Okay. Now next one is what? Wages. Wages is what? Expenses. These wages is also one of the payments. Work movements are work person's payment, that is wages. These wages we can record into which side? Expenses side. Why? Because we can pay cash now. That's why we can record into debit side. Write down 81 wages. That amount is 2,000. We can record into debit side. Now next one, salaries. Salaries is a cost friends here. Expenses. Working persons have paying the amount of salaries. Who can pay the salaries, students? Business can pay the salaries. So what is the salaries amount here? 9,000 rupees. We can record into which side? It is in a debit column. We can record now. Write down ninth one, salaries. We can record into debit side. That amount is 9,000 rupees, friends. Now next one is commission paid. Commission is in two types: commission received and commission paid. Okay, now commission received is an income, commission paid is an expense. So here is what given: commission paid. It is what? Expenses. All expenses we can record into debit side. Write down here 10th one, commission paid. Commission paid is an expenses. That amount is 2,200. Okay, students. Now next one is debitors. Debitors is what, students? Business receiving persons. Debitors is what? Business receiving persons. All business receiving persons we can record it which side? Debit side. Why? Because debitors is an asset. All assets we can record in a debit column now. That's why we can record it to debit side. Write down here 11th one, debitors. That amount is 18,000. Okay, you can record in debit column. Next, rent received 8,000. Rent is in two types: rent paid and rent received. Rent paid is an expense. Rent received is an income. Okay, now so what given here? Rent received. Rent received is what? Income. All incomes we can record into credit side. Write down it is in 12th one. Rent received. That amount is what? 8,000. We can record it to credit side. Now next one, purchases. Purchases is in box friends, expenses. Why? Because we can pay cash and receive the goods. This time cash is goes out now. That's why purchases is in what? Expenses. All expenses we can record into which side? Debit side. Write down 13th one, purchases. Purchases. That amount is at 2 lakhs. Okay, friends. 2 lakhs rupees purchases. Now next one is what given? Sales. Sales is at what? Income. Income. So this time we can sold the goods. The cash is comes in the business. We can receive the cash here. That's why sales is at what? Incomes. All incomes we can record into credit side. Write down 14th one, sales. Sales is now we can record into credit side. 1,50,000 rupees. Okay. Now next one is return inwards. Inwards returns inwards. It is an what? Sales returns. Okay, so it is an what? Expense. The amount is 2000 rupees. We can record in the debit side. Now next one, discount debit. There is clearly mentioned debit now. We can record it to debit side. Write down discount debit. We can record it to debit column having a 1600. Okay. Now next one is what? Discount credit. 71. Discount creditor. Then we can record it is in a credit side. What is the amount? 2000 rupees it is in. Okay students. Now next one is what? General expenses. Any expenses is in a expenses. We can take the cash. This time cash is goes over the business. Then we can record it. It is on which side students? Credit debit side. Why? Because cash is goes over now. So then we can record it to credit side. Debit side right now. 18 and 18th one. General expenses. The amount is 4000. We can record into debit column 4000 rupees. Next one, carriage. Carriage is what? Expense. Carriage is an expense. The amount is we can record here debit column 1800. Now next one, reserve for bad debits. Write down reserve for bad debits. So reserve for bad debits is what? Liability. Then we can record into credit side 22,000 rupees trades. This is all transactions we can record in a trial balance haven. Okay. Now we are doing the total amount of debit and credit. First column 0, second column 0, third column 2, only 2, fourth column 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 2 17, 3 4 5 10, 12 plus 1 13, 1 2 3. So that is amount 3,37,200. First column 0, second column also 0, third column 6 to 8, 8 6 14, 14 plus 8 22. 2 plus 2 4, 6 8 10. Okay. Fourth column we are counting 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 19, 19 plus 8 27, 27 plus 2 29, 30, 34, 35 to 37. Now 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Here is a 3, 3,37,000 rupees and 3,37,000 rupees friends. Debit and credit both are equal coming now. This is a problem number 11 trial balance problem friends. So it is also completed. Now tomorrow onwards we will meet next week the problem number 12. Okay students, thank you and thank you so much.